Hi, and welcome to today's May 25th stimulus package update. If you're a subscribed member of my community, welcome back. If you're not, subscribe right now so I can give you updates and other smart money tips. Now, did you know it literally costs nothing to subscribe to my channel? So just hit the subscribe button so that every time I release a video, YouTube will let you know. All right, well, I want to start off by telling everybody Happy Memorial Day. We celebrate Memorial Day to honor the men, women, and animals that gave their life in military service. But I want to get right into a stimulus update based on what we know going into the weekend. The Senate has publicly stated they do not plan to extend the $600 a week on top of state employment. The additional money that they have been giving will end as of July 31st. This does not mean that regular unemployment will go away, and in most cases you have up to 39 weeks of unemployment to find another job. The extra $600 a week was an expensive section of the original CARES Act, and the Senate will be looking for ways to provide a stimulus to the people while at the same time giving them incentive to get back to work. Okay. This is also most likely an indication that the Senate believes that our economy will be largely reopened and that millions of people will be able to go off unemployment and get back to work. In a new report, the Senate has indicated that any new stimulus relief package must come in around $1 trillion and not the over $3 trillion proposed in the HEROES Act. If they cut the budget by 1/3, does that mean that you and I are cut out of future stimulus money? I don't think so. Keep in mind that in the original CARES Act, money for the people was one of the smallest portions of the CARES Act. At $1 trillion, they could still do stimulus to the people, help the post office, and give a healthy amount of money to the states. These, in my opinion, are the three most pressing issues. I pray Congress will do the right thing, but I'm not going to hold my breath. And in fact, this reminds me of a quote from Mark Twain. He said, "Suppose you are an idiot, and now suppose you are a member of Congress." But I repeat myself. If I were Congress, knowing what I know, I would immediately issue new stimulus money to the people. I would then take a pause and see approach when it comes to where else we should spend money. We know the post office needs assistance, but they've also publicly told us that they won't run out of money until September, which means they have breathing room. We know states need money, but each state has different needs. Utah, for example, has a very healthy economy and tax budget, while California is on the brink of bankruptcy. This is not a dig at California. I simply believe that the Senate and intelligent economists should go state by state and see where need is actually needed. Don't just send blanket amounts of money out that could go to people or could be, not spent, making it a $3 trillion package. What we don't have is the majority of Americans having money until September. So please, if you see this video, keep the people in the front of the bill. All right. Now, I've said this before, but I will say it again. Stimulus money to the people is stimulus money to the businesses. Money to businesses means cash flow. It also means jobs. If there are jobs, that means that there is income. If there is income, it means people don't need future stimulus. It also means that state and federal government get tax money. It's a beautiful circle that they should really consider. All right, now if you found this video helpful, will you please give it a thumbs up so that YouTube will share it with others? And please do me a favor, share this on Facebook. All right, now I'm honestly hoping that Mitch McConnell will have a Jaws movie moment. Here's what I mean. Remember the sheriff is at the back of the boat chumming for sharks? He's got a cigarette that's just barely dangling from his lip, and he's complaining and grumbling. Then all of a sudden, the 25-foot, 3,000-pound shark suddenly emerges from the water for the first time in the movie. He stumbles backwards and he says to the captain, "We're going to need a bigger boat." Okay? Now, I'm hoping as the Senate reviews the Federal Reserve data that they will realize that the American people are going to need a bigger boat. People are running out of money. They can't pay rent. They're going homeless. People are running out of food. People are running out of hope. Please, senators, do your job. The American people are your people. You are servants to the people. All right. Hey, keep your heads up. I know that this is hard. I want you to know I love my country, and I love, love, love my community. In a previous video, I said that it was June when I meant to say it was nearly June. Please forgive me. I'm just a human. And I still get very nervous doing videos where 500,000 people a day are going to see my face and hear my voice. Yes, I know that I look like Clark Kent. No, I don't wear mascara or guy liner. I just have dark eyelashes. I mean, look, they match my dark hair, so I don't have to fake it. All right, well, hey, thank you for being in my community. Even though the Senate went away for the week, I will not go away. I will be coming back. And I just wanted to say, happy holiday. I'll see you on the next video.